Hey, this is Larry Gallo Winter Farms. Out here mowing, minding my own business, and I look up and I got a couple thousand bees swarming around. Upon further inspection, one of my hives is swarmed. So I flipped this branch and shaking the bees off into this nuke box with two drawn comb frames. So the real question is which hive swarmed? My suspicion, it could be this one here. They've swarmed on me twice back to back this year. This is the first big swarm that came out of it, this box. That small nuke box over there was the second small swarm. And this is a small swarm. Did not locate the queen, didn't really put much effort into looking for her. So, I don't know. Wish me luck.